amateur airshows.
So what watch do you wear?
COROS Pace 3.
Nice.
Yeah. Help me for my marathon running. I do that.
And how fast do you do the marathon?
It depends.
Big wing formation. Now keep an eye on number 6 and number 7 on the back. See them slipping back. 6 and number 7.
Let's go through a few functions of your watch, please.
So it makes me go faster. So if I want to do a 1 hour, 9 minute half marathon, it'll make me do that. It'll give me motor drive, give me afterburn. Full reheat like an F35 Lightning. So you've seen the F35 Lightning today, well the F35A, so the F35B demo team there currently at Oshkosh in America. We have the F35A, so obviously clearly us in the United Kingdom get the second-hand stuff, but we do have our RAF Chinook over there with the British Army. They're Apaches, so can't beat that. Fantastic.